Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Flozie. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you are my subscriber, welcome back. It's good to have you in this family. So like I had promised, I'll come up with a video to show you how you can play around with your knotless braids and head wraps. Yes, I love head wraps and I usually use them, especially now that my braids have taken quite some time on my head and I don't want to remove them yet. So I like to play around with head wraps. So head wraps can be any kind of fabric that you want to use. You can use Ankara fabric, you can use your lesso, you can use your dera. That's a secret for you ladies. Yes, you can use anything. So if, honey, you can use even your dress, a dress that is big enough or small enough, depending on what kind of design you want to achieve and how big you want it to be, okay? So I'll be showing you several of them. I'll use this fabric, I'll use this one, I'll use the red one, and many more. So I'll show you several of them. So please try them out. Tag me on Instagram. Show me what you have done with it and how, and also tell me on the comment section which one you like the most, and also write in the comment section what else you'd like me to do for you. Okay, so we are all things artistic here, so enjoy this one and get to learn something and try it out for yourself. You will love it. Okay, so let's get to it.